That my helmet? Did you take that from my workshop?
So on the ground, I found some dragon scales and I made it myself.
Oh, well, that's interesting because this is the exact same design that I've been working on for my dragon scale.
I'm very confused. You look great. You look great. Yeah.
I actually like it. I like it. How does it happen?
Hey, how's Dad doing? He's doing good?
How is he?
No, well, he's not around anymore. Yeah.
Is that a little dragon you have right there?
little light.
Oh, it's a light fury. Right. It looks just like your girlfriend, huh?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I think if you have that many hiccups, you need to see a doctor.
Yeah,
Well, basically, the sort of mascot is Hiccup, of course, but they've taken a portion